Remember the excitement of flipping open a phone back in the day? The thrill of answering calls with a simple snap? The style that came with that iconic flip? Well, Motorola has brought back that magic in a way we never imagined. Introducing the Motorola Razr 2024, a fusion of classic style with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just another foldable, it's a statement, a piece of nostalgia wrapped in elegance, with a fresh take on the smartphone experience. Today we'll dive into the design, features, and what makes this phone more than just a device, it's a part of who we are. Let's start with the design, which Motorola absolutely nailed. The Razr has a sleek, lightweight build that feels incredibly premium in hand. When folded, it's compact and easy to slide into a pocket, but when you flip it open, you're met with a stunning 6.9-inch Full HD POLD display that's vibrant, smooth, and immersive. One standout feature is the outer display, a 3.6-inch screen that gives you quick access to notifications, messages, music controls, and even mini apps without having to open the phone. It's thoughtful and adds a whole new layer of convenience. It's like a classic flip phone but elevated for today's world, offering the perfect blend of form and function. Foldables have had a reputation for compromising on camera quality, but Motorola has stepped up their game with the Razr. The 12MP main sensor and 13MP ultra-wide do a fantastic job at capturing clear, vibrant shots in various lighting conditions. The outer display even lets you take high-quality selfies with the main camera, adding flexibility and quality to your selfie game. The Razr also offers good low-light performance, and thanks to Motorola's software optimization, the photos come out detailed and balanced without too much grain. It might not replace a dedicated camera, but for a foldable device, it delivers surprisingly good results that will easily handle all your everyday shots and videos. Under the hood, the Motorola Razr is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This setup makes it more than capable for multitasking, gaming, and handling whatever you throw its way. The Razr is snappy, responsive, and feels like a true flagship in terms of performance. Battery life has often been a concern with foldables, but the Razr is equipped with a 3800 mAh battery that comfortably lasts a full day. Motorola has optimized the software to make the most of every charge. And with 30W fast charging and 5W wireless charging, you're always ready to go. One of the unique things about the Razr is its outer screen functionality. You can run full apps on the cover screen, reply to messages, control your music, check weather updates, and even get navigation all without opening the device. It's this focus on convenience that makes the Razr stand out. You're not just buying a phone, you're buying a new experience. The software experience is clean, close to stock Android, and Motorola includes some clever additions like gesture controls and personalization options to make the experience uniquely yours. Now, let's talk about that foldable display. This POLD screen is absolutely beautiful, with deep blacks and vivid colors that make everything from scrolling through photos to streaming videos a pleasure, and with a refresh rate of 144Hz. The animations are incredibly smooth. Whether you're binge watching your favorite series or playing games, this display gives you a top-tier experience. Motorola's hinge mechanism is solid and durable, with little to no crease visible when you're fully immersed in your content. The foldable experience here is smooth, seamless, and makes the Razr a true joy to use. You get all the perks of a large screen phone with the portability of a compact device. So, is the Motorola Razr 2024 worth it? For those who value style, innovation, and a touch of nostalgia, this phone is pure magic. The Razr isn't just about specs or features, it's about reimagining the joy of using a phone. About rediscovering that moment when technology felt personal and exciting. This is more than just a smartphone, it's a conversation starter, a nod to the past, and a step toward the future. Motorola didn't just create a phone, they created an experience. If you're someone who wants more from your device than just a screen to scroll on, the Razr could be exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you felt that spark of excitement, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, are you ready to bring back the flip? Because I know I am. Until next time, stay stylish and stay inspired.